It's so dang cold. What are we doing up here, y'all? This is insane. We're up in the frozen tundra. We've got winter storm Elliott. We're gonna go do a road check. Stay tuned. Say hello to the folks at home.
Hey folks down there in the warm palm trees. Wish I was with you.
Me too. It's very cold.
This is ridiculous. All right, folks, this is brutal cold. We're at -5 degrees, wind chill factor to -40. I'm not gonna be out here for more than 30 seconds, but I just want to give you an idea of what it's like out here right now during winter storm Elliott here in Indiana. But let's take a look at the river. Got just a little bit of flowing water there, but mostly we are under ice here. All right, so obviously I wanted to go fishing while I was up here. I haven't fished in Indiana in probably 30 years, y'all. But we're in that awkward stage between where everything is iced over and where you can, you know, where like the river has enough ice on it that you can't really fish it, but you can't walk out on it because it's not frozen enough. But check this out, we might have actually found a spot once this wind dies down that we can fish. So we've at least got some moving water out here. So I think that we can fish from this side of the bank and fish this kind of like little spillway right here. So I don't know, we may do some fishing yet, but if not, it's just crazy out here, y'all. Just know that. What in the heck am I doing out here, y'all? I am not built for this. Nope, nope, nope.